Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can duplicate yourself with one click only using CapCut. So here I've already add a video of a man walking and I want to duplicate this man in the video. So what you need to do is just click on the clips and then go to style and swipe until you find the video effects. Now you can either choose this freeze frame 1 or 2. I'm going to choose the first one for the first one and wait for it to finish generating. Okay, so in a second it will finish. Okay, so now it finished. You can just click on the check icon and here is the result. So now you see I've already duplicate this main into a few like this. So that is how you can duplicate yourself on CapCut. I hope this will be helpful. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.